So you might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok For You page is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening, with whether your TikTok For You page isn't working or your profile pages aren't working. Number one, it can usually happen if there's some random glitch that's going on within TikTok. So if you're scrolling through and you see this particular page, and for some reason it doesn't seem to be loading or working for your particular situation, you might just want to go through and double check your internet connection. So swipe out of TikTok, go ahead and make your way over into your settings application right over here. And all you're going to want to do is you want to click on network and internet and just double check your internet connection. Like I said, a lot of the times, if there seems to be some sort of Wi-Fi issue or some internet connection problem, that can really be the first thing I recommend kind of thinking about and just kind of resetting and kind of redoing. So from this side, that's kind of the big thing I'd recommend you to kind of do. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I recommend doing is going through and basically updating the TikTok application. So go right inside of your Google Play Store right over here, or your Apple App Store, whatever you have, and you want to search up TikTok. Now, when you do that, all you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and update your TikTok application. Like I said before, a lot of the times, if you're getting into these types of problems, simply just updating your application can probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, you can always try going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com and trying to see if those websites basically tell you what services are up or down. And from there, you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.